Hey folks, want to give you a quick review of this mini power chainsaw. Now, in the box, it comes in, it's got a guard on it, so you can't cut yourself, for 4 and 6 inches. This is a 6-inch blade. It has a rechargeable battery, it has the charger with it. So when you put it in here, it also has something to keep it so that you don't lose it. It comes with a spare chain, so you can sharpen this one, put this one on. Great little piece of gear. Now, I'm going to give you a good example. We've got an old dead branch. Notice it's got a safety feature, okay? So you have to push the thumb to get it to work. Once you push it, now, did anybody notice the light? It's kind of dusk right now. So what I'm going to show you is, you'll see the light coming out. So it lights up where you're doing, kind of like your drill. Goes right through pretty much any type of wood. Obviously, there's a limit, but you know, these types of limbs right here, no problem. Now, we were compensated for our honest review of this, and this is going to be a great piece of gear to keep in the garage, to keep on the mower, to keep on the quad when you go in the trails. Another great feature is our 12-year-old has used this one right here. He's gone out there and done stuff, and it gives him a lot of confidence with doing stuff. Great piece of gear. Really looking forward to having it. Hope you guys enjoy it.